If you wish to set up your business near Nairobi, you can source new clothes from Eastleigh at a relatively cheaper prices. Other places you can source clothes include Gikomba Market, Kongoya Market in Mombasa. If you are dealing with imported clothes, you can import clothes from Dubai and Turkey. Acquire business licenses. To operate any businesses in Kenya, you need to get a single business permit. Its cost varies from one country to the other. On average, it goes for only 10,000 shillings a year. You can get it from the county offices or the county council offices. How to arrange a small boutique. The way you arrange your boutique determines its success. Neat and well-arranged boutiques tend to attract more customers. The kind of clothes you sell will determine the arrangement. For instance, if you are dealing with all types of clothes, you can have a separate area for women's clothes, men's clothes, and baby clothes. With that, categorize specific clothes to make it easy for customers to locate them. For instance, in the men's clothes area, you can have an area for trousers, coats, and shirts. It makes your boutique look organized. Finally, make sure that your boutique has a changing area. To be best